Hello and welcome! In this brief video, I'll be showing you how to create a Kahoot from a web page URL using AI. Begin by clicking on the Create button located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Kahoot. A pop-up window will then appear, prompting you to decide your next step. Choose the middle option. Switch it to URL using the drop-down menu in the top left corner. Paste your desired URL into the provided field and hit Generate. Please wait a moment while the AI generates the questions. You can now select the format, which can either be a quiz or an interactive presentation. If needed, you can also adjust the language. We also offer the option to set the difficulty level: beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Furthermore, you can tailor the tone of voice. It can be humorous, conversational, or formal. Decide on the number of questions your Kahoot should contain. It could be 15, 20, or 25. If you make any adjustments in the settings, don't forget to click Refresh. You can choose to add a few selected questions by clicking Add each time. Or simply click Add All in the corner to include all the generated questions. Once you're satisfied, click Done. You now have the option to edit the generated questions if necessary. Thank you for tuning in. Please feel free to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!